Alright, g'day guys. We're on Botany Bay today, chasing some flathead. I'm with Terry. What have you got on? It's got a gulp, I think. Gulp and a quarter ounce head.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
New chicken.
I'm just using a light outfit with a 1/6 ounce head and a power bait minnow. There we are.
Yep.
Yeah, right on.
Speaking of the devils. Not massive weight, but I would say legal.
Yeah, keep it coming. That's what is that? Is that a whiting?
Whiting? Are you kidding me?
Alright, well, we're on the board. Interesting.
Oh, poor guy, I gut shot at him. Yeah, he's got a
There we go.
bad chance of survival.
You reckon it's a squid? Looks like something is pulling your line. Yeah, I'm on to something. Hey, I'm on. Look at that. I'm on. It is a fish. It's thrashing around. Feels like a whiting or a flatty. It's got a lot of tail beats. Yes, it's the target species.
You want a net or?
I just lift him in. Look at that. Nice colours. I just threw the. Oh yeah.
To the tip?
You reckon a squid's got it?
That's definitely a squid.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get him close to the boat so he can go high.
Alright, well, we'll just quickly release this guy. Is this a dusky? This doesn't look like a dusky.
There, Pete, look down, look down. You got hold of my gulp.
Wow, it's a squid. What do you reckon? I'll try to net him. Really?
I actually hooked him.
Whoa.
Big beam, that guy.
That is insane. I mean, it happens, but I've hooked them on vibes and stuff. No, I should be alright. I think it was just water on me. That's
Cool.
that's a squid. Good stuff.
More live bait.
Meanwhile, what kind of flathead is this?
Not too sure.
Is this one? Is this a dusky?
Not sure. I think it is a dusky, but
I think it is, but it looks a bit different. I'm not too sure.
More white spots on it.
Guys, so anyone that knows what this flathead is, if it's not a dusky, I'm gonna assume it is, but if it's not, put it down in the comment section down below. All right, off you go, mate. Yeah.
Sometimes when you want to, on one of those hot days. Look at that. I wasn't even working. I don't know what that is, but
We're about to find out. It's a little something or other. Is that a flathead? Small whiting, yeah.
oh, the poor bugger.
You can't get a proper hook set, mate. What's going on?
Look at the poor guy, man. What the?
Yeah, I'll cut to a different scene. You're right.
Up on the right hand side, it was very late.
Yeah.
Very late in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Already
Oh, that was a solid hit.
getting right on.
Bang. All right. I heard that too. Yeah. Dolphin. Are you serious? That's a water spout? You reckon? But it's so calm.
What are those things on top of the water there too?
Yeah. Nice one, Terry. What do you reckon? Flathead?
Feeling flathead.
I'm seeing something.
I'm wrong. Another foul hook.
It's another whiting. Man, I don't know how you're doing it. But yeah. Mate, whiting are having a bad day today.
recently.
Three, four of them are on top, swimming around, and then you strike and you get one of them through the stomach.
That's it. Two of them scatter and one pops it up the arm. Yeah, oops. I didn't mean to do it, but fuck. I'm not sorry either, kind of. Yeah, you're recording me. Gotta be actually a flathead.
Look, I'm gonna call it a sideways whiting for, you know, for obvious reasons. But that head shake there, I think you might be right.
Gotta be a flathead. Yes, that's a flathead.
Yeah, that is. I can see it now. It's coming up.
Still under.
Hey, look, target species. After about 3-4 whiting, couple of squid, finally a flathead.
It's fine, not so.
Good hook set again. He wasn't getting away. You need pliers? Yeah, I think that's best. You got it.
Sweet.
Nice one.
I wonder if they are actually duskies. I thought duskies they have a bit of a spot down there.
At the end of the tail, yeah. My one did have it, but those spots looked a bit white. Now I catch a lot of upper river flathead, so it looks different down here.
Okay.
Squid on my jig head. Oh, came off. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. I got a squid here. I'm gonna pick up that rod. I got my squid rod. I'm gonna put the rod between my legs. Oh, let go. Want it? Yeah, he still wants it. Yeah, he still got it. I'm gonna get into do a swapperoo here. So, all right, so that looks to be about the right depth. I'm just gonna bring him over. Okay, there's something a bit better for you, mate. Oh, this way. Oh, he's looking at the jig.
Yeah, he's going for it. He got it.
Oh.
There he got.
Oh, no, he's gripped on. I don't have the barbs in him. There we go, got him. Got him. Let's get the plastic out of the way. This is insane. What? Look at that. Look at that. From plastic to jig.
Need the net. Hey.
Whoa. Yes. Oh, Terry, how was that?
Perfect.
That was perfect.
The old switcheroo.
That's how it's done. Check that out. That's a nice one. Oh, that's an arrow. That's an arrow squid.
It's actually been like this, I think.
Yeah.
Almost.
Nice one. Yeah, check out that. So from the plastic, swapped over to the jig. Oh, there's a squid on it. Yeah, I'll get him.
Squid on it. No wonder he's not fucking pulling it. This is when you want the kingfish to just come in and smash it.
There we go. Is he going to take it? No.
Give it a jig. There he goes.
Alright, he's got it. Got him. So I saw he held it, so I struck sideways so that the hooks would stick. I love sight fishing for squid, it's mad.
Head going, mate. Yeah, he's been going at you for a while.
That's why I dragged him across the side.
I believe he's still alive, this guy.
Yes, I'll get this guy in. Here it is. I don't know how this is happening, but we keep getting squid. Chasing flatties. It's another arrow on the brown jig. Once I come to the boat, I just throw it in there. Wait till it grabs it, and then I set that hook. Yes, while I cast my plastic out again for flathead. Guys, seriously, you're not really chasing squid here. As you can see, I've got a Gamoku jigging rod with a Twin Power 4000 and about, I don't know what leader that I've tied on, and I've just tied on a jig. So this is just all impromptu. They're just, for some reason, the squid are just hopping on our lures. That is pretty crazy stuff. What do you reckon? Squid. I'm calling squid. I'm calling it a squid.
Buddy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, got him under the jaw. I'm not sure. Tail wrapped.
Good stuff. Finally, another one.
Oh, no, there he goes.
Oh, did he come off? No, he's still there. Nice one. Nice flatty. It's, unexpected, you know, even though this is what we're trying to chase. I'd say this is pretty unexpected. I'm in shock. It's not a squid. I'm actually in shock, Terry. It's actually a flathead. Now that lure's doing the damage. That lure seems to be a really good squid lure, yeah. I must say.
Yeah, it's better squid lure than flathead lure, that's for sure.
So that's the Gulp Jerkshad, right?
Yes.
In nuclear
Jerkshad.
Nuclear chicken.
Yep.
I think the color is called. Yeah.
Shit. The fly's in there.
Yeah, it's basically coming out. Yeah.
And give the fish a shake. Okay.
There we are. Team effort. Don't tell me that that's another squid, because that's. Oh, I'm onto a fish. I'm actually onto a fish. Yeah, yours a fish. Yours a flathead. Nice. I think mine's a flathead too. The way it's shaking.
Yes.
Oh yes, that's a nice double. That's a double.
Yeah.
If we can land this, that's a double. Lift him in. Yeah, nice. All right, guys, I did change lures. I did change to the Gulp. That's two flatties. I think this one would be close to legal. The one I've got looks pretty close to legal.
Basically a pigeon pair, aren't they?
Yeah, they're pretty close.
Yours is
looks fat.
10 centimeters bigger. Oh no, fuck, they're basically identical.
Yeah.
Eh?
They're 40s?
Yep.
Right. Terry wants these, so they're legal. Oh, yes, on. It feels. Oh, dropped it. Oh, another. It hit again. Whoa.
Take it easy on him.
That's a flathead. I thought it was one before, but this is definitely a flathead. I can feel those head shakes.
Good one.
Yeah. Here it is. Just gonna lift it. Ah, yes. All right, we're gonna let this one go. Just gonna pop that hook out like that. Just push it. Push it through. That's it. And pick him up. And off the side. Who's back? Who's back, Terry?
Don't record me.
Who's back? All right, so it's just a little bee.
It's not a bee, it's a wasp. Look at it.
Appeared out of nowhere, and obviously Terry's freaking out, but you know, I'm fine, so it's not going for me. Oh, you hit it! It's over there.
Yeah, that'll learn ya.
That'll learn ya. All right, so you got it. What's that? I'll put my hand there. So I'm not afraid of it. See, ooh,
oh.
Yeah. yeah. Another squid. Let me get it up. Oh my god, it's wrapped around all this.
Bad, this guy. Yep, there he is.
I don't. Yes, got him. Got him. Right in that ink cloud. I don't think he's coming free, but he might have ink. Yeah, he's got ink. I just let him thrash around for a bit. Top of the head, yeah. Look at that. Another bycatch. Terry bringing in the squid. Me hooking him.
Yes?
Yeah, one something.
That's a flathead.
Hopefully that's a flathead, yeah. Felt some shakes. It's promising. Tiny bit of mass behind it, if I'm honest. What is that?
Oh no.
It is a foul hooked whiting. Whoa. Oh my. After how many other fish and then we get this again. Alright, so I gotta sort this guy out. That's looking oddly suspect. I reckon that's a squid, yeah. Trying to get that squid rod out. He's either there. Oh, he's under it. Yeah, he's under it now. Yep.
Yeah, you got it.
He's under it. I can't see from the sun's glare.
Yeah, keep jigging, jig right there, jig around, go down a little bit, jig up a touch, you're on.
Oh, yes. There he is. Got him. My rod's not even bending because it's like...
It's only 120.
Look, he's spinning 360 spins. I reckon he's... Whoa!
Oh, wow.
360
Oh,
spins.
one candle.
One little candle. Nice. Whoa, it's got a lot of water.
Squid up.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's flathead session. Got some flathead, but that's what we were chasing. We just ended up getting a bunch of whiting foul hook terry. And also, strangely enough, squid as well, following our lures in. I think we hooked at least one on the soft plastic, and the rest we put a jig in front, and yeah, we were able to bring him in that way. Hope you guys are thoroughly entertained. It was a really fun day. If you guys would like to see me fishing once again with Terry, give me a thumbs up in the video. Thanks for supporting me guys as always, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.